So we are going to talk about simplifying radicals by adding and subtracting. So the most important part about simplifying radicals is they must be like radicals. Just like terms, there are things called like radicals. Like radicals have the exact same number in the radicand. So right now, these two numbers are not like radicals. However, if I simplify each one of these, they might become like radicals. So let's start by doing that. So in order to simplify radicals, we talked in the previous video about finding the perfect square that goes into that number. So 75 immediately jumps out to me that it's divisible by 25. And I know that 25 is a perfect square. So I'm going to break it down into 25. 25 times 3 is what gives me that 75. And then I'm going to look at 12. 12 is divisible by 4, which is a perfect square. 4 times 3 is 12. So now I am going to take the square roots that I can. So I'm going to take the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is 5. And I cannot take the square root of 3. So I'm going to leave it. The square root of 4 is 2. So I'm going to take that square root. But I cannot take the square root of 3 again. So that's just the square root of 3. Now that I've done some simplification, I can see that I do have like radicals. These two are the exact same. So just like when we have 2x plus 3x, that equals 5x, we added our coefficients there. We're going to add the coefficients of these radicals as well. So 5 plus 2 is 7, and then I maintain my radical of 3. So 7 square root 3 is the answer to this problem. Hopefully that you remember that like radicals need to be there in order to add or subtract, and that you can do that by finding the perfect squares in each radical.